No.
Hello, we're the Reactors. I'm Mariam.
Hello, we're the Reactors. I'm Claudia. I'm Sandy.
Okay, so we're going to do Binny. Abriella is not here. She's just running a little late, so we're going to take a head start on this. This is a podcast with Joanna and Aya. We're just going to get more into their story of Binny and everything. I honestly don't know what the podcast is about. We're just about to find out all together. Okay, let's go. Does it need some? No. This is the English
Network
subtitle.
Asia.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. English sub.
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Binny! Podcast na mawala.
We all did them. Yeah.
Mabuhay! I'm Beanie Joanna!
Hey everybody, I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie! Nakakapanibago.
Yeah. And can I just say, I love how, kasi di ba, we're so used to now, we're singing and dancing,
Must be
and
nice.
we're always moving around. I mean, we're also moving, pero this time, it's more laid back.
True. And
Yeah.
usap lang talaga. Alam mo yung parang
Yes.
wala tayong audience. It's just
Yeah.
you and me.
And our thoughts.
Yeah.
And our situational experiences and everything inside.
Na, first time natin gagawin. Kasi alam mo yung parang hindi naman to normal. Lalo na sa ating P-pop idols. Alam mo yun.
Parang
Parang
like love in general.
Oo.
Parang very taboo siya, 'di ba? Na to talk about for our idol.
Sa world natin.
Na ganun
Oo.
life.
And
diba?
masaya kasi nabigyan tayo ng chance. Alam mo yun. To,
Yeah.
let's normalize this topic. Kasi parang normal naman siya. Tao rin naman
That's a
tayo.
fact, yes.
Idol
I've been
tayo.
saying that
Pero
forever.
tao rin naman tayo. Na-in love din naman tayo.
Yeah.
Nasaktan din naman tayo.
We're born to love din naman.
Yes.
Tao din tayo na pwede, it's free to love din naman. Kaya let's talk about love.
Para tayo mo ba?
Are they talking about their love
Parang
story?
tayo mo ba?
What is this about?
Okay.
Talk about
So,
love.
yung topic natin, interesting siya kasi parang famous line to na, thought ka.
Oo.
Ano?
According to
From
ano
the
ba?
song.
Ni Katy Perry.
Yes. Favorite.
Bro,
Oo.
on key.
Hubog ka talaga sa kantang to.
Yeah.
She doesn't even need to warm
word
up.
ko siya before. Ay, yung thought ka. Char.
Ay, may thought ka ka. So, sige. Lagot ka sa akin.
Pero wait lang.
Kita.
Ikaw ba? Let's start with defining what is love. Kasi, di ba, hindi natin masyado na pag-usapan yung ganito. So, let's start with, what is it? Like, what do you understand with love?
Ako, love.
She went right in.
Ang hirap naman ng tanong mo. Pwede na lang, paano ko malalaman kung bahal ko na isang tao?
Sige,
Okay.
anything about love.
Paano ko nakikita kung love ko na isang tao? Siguro, kapag my friends and family are happy dun sa decision ko. Siyempre, bukod dun sa love ko talaga siya, gusto ko agree din yung family and friends. Kasi syempre, di ba, bukod sa akin, sila din yung nakakita ng what's best for me.
True.
And yung trust, nandun yung understanding. Siguro yun.
Yeah. Like, happy ka, happy all.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yung hindi ko kailangan baguhin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko kailangan mag-lip tint kapag makikita ko siya.
yung accept ka in
Oo,
your
kahit
whole
anong-
flaws.
Yes,
Yeah.
yun. Yun yung doon ko malalaman if eto na, love
Better
ko na
accept
tong
all those
tao.
10 personalities.
True.
Ikaw?
Ako naman,
10 plus 2.
simple. If true love or, basta for me, there is love when there's peace. Kasi,
Fact!
alam mo, you don't even have to try. Kasi
Wow, really touched her.
you're at peace, you're calm, and
That's
there's
true
so much
though.
love kahit
Bro,
ganun.
love is not supposed
Yung
to be
hindi,
panic.
yung parang, paano ba? Hindi trying hard. Hindi ka na
Oo.
nagtitry hard na, ay, ganito yung standard na gusto niya.
When it
ganito yung gusto
flows.
niya sa
Yeah,
babae.
I love that.
Yeah, and hindi ka bothered lagi.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun na feeling. Like, it's just at peace. Ganon.
Gets.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
example with work. I love what I'm doing because I feel
Oh,
at
I like
peace.
how she
Ganun.
twisted that one.
Yeah, love equals peace. That's how I see it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Sige, may question ako.
And her example
Wait
is
lang.
more
Actually,
like
nag-take down ako ng
her
notes.
self-example.
So, yung topic natin, ayun nga, nandyan siya. Thought ka,
Thought
right
ka.
person, wrong time. Naniniwala ka ba sa right person, wrong time?
Ako, right person, wrong time. I used to believe in that before. Kasi, parang,
Go na!
I used to believe in that before kasi I had an experience
Aww.
na I met this guy and we complement each other very well. Wala kaming fights kasi we're very compromising. It's just that yung problem lang namin that time is the timing. Parang I was younger back then, pre-Bini days. Yeah, I was younger,
It's the pre
and
and
then
post
parang
Bini
for
days.
me, I was in a point where I'm still starting, like ang dami pang nangyayari, ang dami pang kailangan. I have to, parang iba pa yung priorities ko that time.
Oo.
Not love pa na romantic
Bata
love.
talaga. Alam mo yung,
Yeah.
nandun ka pa sa stage na nag-explore ka pa.
And you're still building yourself.
Mm.
Kasi siya that time, parang mas settled siya comparing sa akin.
Mm.
So, yeah. Pero, I used to believe in that na parang, baka ano siya, right person, wrong time. And then maybe he'll just come back and then we'll see each other again and then he'll be the right person. But you know what? There's the saying na, the right person will be timeless for you. Like, there's
That's a
no
good way
such
to put
thing as wrong timing. Because if he or she is the right person talaga. Like, you won't even think na, ano ba, like, is he right for today? Like, hindi mo maisip. Kasi, yun talaga. He's the one, ganun. How about you? Do you believe in
Ako yan.
right person?
Right person is timeless. Kasi, paano mo masasabing right person kung may mali ng, alam mo yun, kung may mali na nangyayari. Parang, kung mali ang timing, feeling ko kasi nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na, ako lang naman to feeling ko nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na dahil mahal mo, sige, tamang tao, ang pipiliin mong mali, yung nangyayari sa paligid. Gets ba? Dahil mahal mo yung tao, nabubulag ka dun sa fact na tama ka, mali lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. Pero what if, mali na talaga yung taong napili mo that time?
Yeah, minsan kasi with love, I believe love is blind. Kasi parang when you're so, especially when you're so caught up in the moment, kasi you really love the person, di ba? Parang lahat ng red flag maging pink.
Totoo.
Love mo yung person.
Bro, they become
tanggap mo
green. For
siya,
me, I don't know what she means pink.
Walang red flag. ganun.
Tapos, kapag nawala kayo, doon mo sabihin na,
Because you're so
Diba?
blinded.
ganyan kasi yan, bakit nga
Doon mo
ganun,
pa
no?
ma-realize. Kasi, like example, when you step out of it, doon mo pa makikita lahat. Doon pa mag-open yung mga mata mo. Wow. And then, bakit kaya
nga?
gano'n?
Alam mo,
Well, that is love. Love is confusing sometimes.
Totoo.
Questionable sometimes. Pero that's love. But, I have a question. Matagal mo na ba na, parang narinig yung term na thought ka? Or like, right person, wrong timing?
Actually, until now, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako kung ano nga ba talaga yung thought ka. Ano ba yung thought ka ba? Yung maayos kayong nag-end? So, thought ka mo siya? Or thought ka pa rin ba yung tawag sa nag-end kayo ng...
In bad terms?
Oo, in bad terms. Yun, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako. Pero siguro sa experience din, wala pa rin na talaga akong experience sa thought ka.
Explain it.
Siguro, itry ko bukas. Naka-experience ka na ba?
Ako? Yung nga, akala ko na... Kasi, okay, before...
Bigyan mo ako
ayun.
ng specific na
Situation.
situation na. Go.
Sige. Let's say for you. You met a guy, and then... Kasi
Experience mo
experience
Oo.
ko? sige.
Okay.
Okay, example. So, like, okay, what can you say? So,
I
met
like that
this
she's trying to
guy
dodge it.
before,
You're right.
And then, we
Not give
complement
too much
each
away
other
about her
very
relationships.
well. And then, he helped me, I help him, we grow together.
Wait. So, nasabi mo before na hindi kayo nag-aaway, di ba? Parang hindi kayo masyadong nag-aaway. Sa tingin mo, okay yung ganun? Or, kasi ako parang...
Kasi yung iba mas gusto nila may away.
Oo,
Grow.
kasi
This
nag-grow.
is kind of-
Kayo ba?
Depende. Kasi, how I see it in relationships, dapat, when you have fights, it should be not between you guys. It should be both of you between a different, parang it's
Like both of
you
you against
and the
the thing.
other thing. That's a fight na healthy for me. Hindi yung kayo dalawa nag-aaway. Feeling ko, if may ganun kayo early signs of the relationship, parang yun yung red flag siguro. Oo, red flag na yan. Kasi that's hard. You have, I guess that's something na internally you have something to work on. Yeah. But yeah, back to situation.
Go.
Sige. So let's say, sige, I used to have a guy before, and then we compliment each other very well, and then yung family niya gusto ako, yung family ko naman.
Oh, the families got involved.
Sakto lang.
Sakto
Sakto
lang.
lang.
Well, because I was very,
like you
I was
can
younger.
just
Pero
your
legal.
boyfriend and then they know about them, but it's just like a it's not serious yet.
like, alam mo yung there, but not there yet.
Tita. Si ate ayaw.
Hindi, alam nila yung guy, pero hindi siya officially
Yeah.
official.
Gets.
Not
Oh,
yet
for
that
us, it's
time.
like an
Parang
official
hirap no
thing
kasi
when the
pero
parents
wala
get
naman the
involved.
one, hindi pa pala ano.
Actually, no?
Parang
Parang-
when I was like 15.
Or
Wala
maybe-
akong parents.
Or maybe because you're so blind na pag first mo na na-encounter na something love or romantic relationship, parang akala mo the one na agad. Ang daming ganun. Like, first nila na feel na love from someone. Eto na, the one, the one.
Siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. May ganun kaya, di ba? Parang, siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. Hala, tapos parang sabihin nila, nakikita ko na yung sarili nila, naglalakad daw sa aisle, sa simbahan.
Mga hopeless
Totoo ba?
romantic like
Diba?
me. Ay! But yeah, okay, ito. So, let's say yun, like you're going so well. Pero, kasi siya, mas mas settled na siya kaysa sa akin.
Kasi, mas, siya, older siya sa'yo.
And she has, pwede naman she, Di sure. Hindi, he has, parang, well, he was working na that time. And ako parang, I'm new to, to the adult life.
So
Parang,
was there like an age gap?
I just started making money on my own, parang ganun. Pero siya, he's really in that stage na parang, it's so easy for him to decide things. Ganun. So yun, never kami nagka-problem, never kami nag-aaway. Pero it's just that's why
Oh.
nawala. Di ba, it's so questionable how, hindi kayo nag-aaway, pero ba't nawala?
Oo.
Di ba? And it's because, yung time na yun, so, how things splitted is that, kasi settled na siya, and because he loves me so much, yun nga, he wants na,
Lahat bigay sa'yo.
he wants na I go with him, like, sama kami, ganun, and then I leave my job.
So parang,
Pero ako ayoko naman.
sa lahat ng
kasi-
decisions niya, nasan yung sa'yo?
Oo,
Ganun.
yun yung na-feel ko. Kaya
Oo.
siguro yun na naging reason ko bakit
Mm-mm.
wala. Kasi ako din, I don't wanna be dependent on someone.
Mm.
Even if parang,
Mm-hmm.
like, wow, thank you because you thought of that, na you care for me, na you want to be the provider for me. Pero, I want to do something din naman for my own.
True. Tama.
And why can't we do something for each other and also do something na we both want separately? Tapos yun yung
You need
naging
that.
breaking point namin. Kasi, he was like, I want you to be with me, like, I can provide for you, ganon, ganon. So, ikaw, what do you think about it?
Feeling ko, okay na rin na nawala kayo. Kasi pag naman nag-split, hindi naman,
So, you're happy for that? Sige.
kasi hindi naman, ibig sabihin na nag-split kayong dalawa. Nag-split na. Ano naman yun eh, parang ako nakikita ko siya as positive pareho. Posible kasi na pinag-meet kayo para lang tulungan mag-grow yung each other. Para ready kayo sa next relationship nyo.
Yeah, actually ganun nga no. Yun din nakakita ko. Kasi it's either, so how I see then with Totga, parang example, hindi kayo and ang dami ko mga friends na ganito na experience nila. So like example, at first you were in a relationship tapos biglang nawala. Tapos the one that got away, 'di ba? Or right person wrong time. You will know, and ang daming parang nag-meet sila again and sila nagkatuluyan. You will know if that person is the right person when kahit ang dami pang nangyayari in between, hindi kayo nagkitang, a lot of years has passed by. Kasi sabi nila, pag kayo talaga meant to be, hahanapan talaga kayo ng way for you
True.
to get back with each
Oo.
other. And if hindi man, it means he wasn't the right person after all. And yung na-experience mo together, even if it's sad na nag-break kayo, pero ano pala, parang naging preparation pala or naging you grew something from it. You
Para
learned
maging
something from
ready
it.
ka.
Yeah, to prepare you for someone na right person pa pala for you.
Yes. Pero sa
Yeah.
case mo, if ever lang
Are you asking me na, is he gonna be the right person in the
Hindi.
future? Ganon?
if ever lang, na mag-try ulit siya, tinanong ka to go out on a date, papayag ka ba?
In this point in my life, I am in my healing stage. Chika, no, pero, yeah, so, years has passed by when that happened.
Madami na nagbago.
And I realized, I thought before na parang,
May chance
okay.
pa.
I wasn't, nung time na nawala kami, parang I was still hopeful. Na parang I told him na, this may be an end for us, but I don't see this as a total end talaga. Kasi, as long as I'm living, you're living, we might see each other in the future.
Ang small
ganon.
world, nasa
Diba?
isang ano lang kayo, nasa isang place kayo. Cebu din.
Very small.
Okay. Kailangan lang.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan kay Ate Aya, ano ba? Nakamove on na yan.
Oo. But yeah, that has happened like years
I'm gonna go
before
back,
pa.
Sandy. I
I don't
think
think she said a
Ayun,
name.
nakala ko na parang.
She said keep that person
No, I'm so
private.
happy. Baka mag-meet kami
I
in the
read
future
Cebu.
because that's how much
What
I
is
really
Cebu?
love him. And I love you. I'm willing to let go of you first for now so I can work on myself. You can work on yourself. But I'm still hopeful because maybe, baka magkita pa tayo in the future. But then, time has passed.
So
and-
parang hindi mo kino-close yung doors.
yeah,
Oo.
before.
So kinlose mo na ngayon.
Kasi ayun, I realized, and nag-connect siya with yung pinag-usapan natin before na when you're so in love, parang you think na everything is a fairy tale, lahat ng red flag, di mo nakakita.
Yes.
And that time na parang hindi na kami, and I stepped out and then looking back to what we had, parang doon ko na-realize na it's really a reason kung bakit din hindi kami nagkatuluyan. Kasi, even if we were complimenting each other, pero yung mga goals namin hindi nagko-compliment pala. Yeah. Kaya we had that separation of path. Ganon. But yeah, and then I realized na
Hindi
baka,
talaga.
baka that is just meant to happen in preparation for the other person the right time. And siya, parang nakahanap na siya ng ng person eh. And I'm the happiest. Like, ako din, if you love someone, you only wish their happiness, di ba? So, kung saan masaya yung tao, I'm all for that. So, ayun.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm happy on my own din. I'm, like, where I am right now, I'm happy because even if ganun yung mga nangyari sa amin, but I learned a lot. So, that's what's important for me.
Parang
So-
siya, parang yung sinabi mo yan, parang I'll always want what's best for you, even parang kahit wala na ako doon. Parang even
Sometimes love doesn't mean na kailangan kayo dalawa lagi. Kaya nga, may mga yung mga platonic, di ba? Hindi sila together, pero there's still love in it. Like, it's better as friends. Pero there's so much love. Alam mo yung ganun? Kasi most people, when they think about love, dapat kayo talaga magkasama. Dapat romantic relationship
Gets.
talaga siya, di ba?
Pero minsan pag naman, alam mo yung pag matagal na kayo, may point talaga siguro naman sa relationship na mawawala yung kilig. Pero
I think it's
hindi
normal.
naman ibig sabihin nun,
Hindi mo mahal yung tao.
hindi mo mahal yung tao. Normal na, kasi alam mo yun, matagal na kayo and nasanay na kayo sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Yes.
Nakapagod na kayo makita yung mga pagmumukha.
Feeling ko posible din na gano'n, no? May mga ganong times. Pero kung mature din naman kayo mag-isip, siguro, pwede mo sabihin na, pwede, I need space, pwede sa friends muna ako, pwede naman gano'n.
Okay,
Ang
wait.
hirap, no?
So now that I've talked about mine, I want to ask you, may experience ka ba or something with thought ga right person, wrong time? Cut na po.
Charing,
Sabi ka?
Ka?
Tita.
Hindi kasi nila alam.
Ala.
Hindi alam nila to, pero hindi kasi ako vocal before. Naging open lang din naman talaga ako sa parents ko na naging beanie ako. Eh, nangyari to, pre-beanie. So, hindi nila alam to. Ang alam nila, ano lang, puppy love lang, pero hindi nila alam na parang umabot ng 2 years yung talking stage, ganon.
Oh my God.
So,
2 years talking stage.
kaya ko in-example yung
wild.
feeling ko, siya yung magiging escort ko sa dibu ko kasi akala ko talaga siya na sobrang bata ako mag-isip nun.
Pero alam mo, common yan dati. Kasi akala ko din like, yung mga ganun na thought, like mga signs na pag siya yung makasama mo to go to your graduation, mga ganun, di ba? Akala mo the one na agad.
Yung hihingi ka pa ng signs, hello, totoo ba yung hingi ka ng signs? Lord, kapag lumubog na yung araw na gano'n.
So, naka-experience ka na ba ng ano? Like, sabi you met someone na parang, this is the one na ba? Gano'n.
Feeling ko kasi sobrang, syempre bata pa ako mag-isip. Kapag may common kami, may common things, yun, feeling ko meant to be na. Binibilang ko talaga siya. Hala, pareho
may
kami.
lista ka pala, no?
Pareho kami solong anak. Shucks, ito na yun.
Hala, pareho kami ng birth months.
Ganon. Diba? Parang, binibilang. Pero ano naman, siguro maganda rin na nag-start kami as friends. So, ngayon, tropa-tropa talaga. Kapag uuwi, walang ilangan.
Okay.
So, you consider that as the one that got away?
Hindi.
Ay,
Kasi,
sorry, boy.
syempre, yung love naman, nakikita mo siya kapag hindi lang puro kilig, nakikita mo din yung tao na yun. Alam mo yun, sa future makakasama mo. Sa kanya kasi hindi eh. Talagang naiilang ako pag nakikita. Parang wala pa sa akin that time yung nakikita ko siyang lalakad kami sa simbahan.
Kasi you were still so young.
Oo, yun naman.
You were
So,
younger.
hindi ko siya i-consider na totka.
Ow.
Yes, sorry.
Okay.
I mean,
Meron ako-
2-year-long
parang-
talking stage?
Mayroon akong napanood na celebrity sila, celebrity couple, tapos parang okay sila. May, good terms
I
sila.
kind of want to ask
pero
her,
yung
so
isa,
why did you...
sinabi na
2
iba yung
years?
totke niya.
Can
Okay,
you have
okay ba
one-on-one
sa'yo yun?
someone?
Halimbawa, tayo, good terms
Direct
tayo.
line contact?
Pero in-interview ako, sinabi ko sa interview na,
And
ang
we're
totke
together,
ko
ganun?
ay siya. Oh, and we're together that time.
Parang awkward.
Diba? Parang ano mo feel? Pero sa tingin mo, ikaw, normal lang ba siya or
Well, kasi the totga nga, it's hard because totga, or the one that got away, right person, wrong time, it varies from person to person.
Yeah.
And especially with the situation that they got to experience. It varies. Kaya ang daming nagde-debate nito if they believe in it, they don't, ganun. Kasi, like sa mga movies din, ang daming ganun na sila. Tapos, in between, may mga partners. So, akala nila, wrong person talaga. Kasi, we have partners na we're even married. So, hindi talaga yung right person. Pero, in the future pa pala, nag-meet sila kahit may anak na, kahit married na. So, diba, it's really hard. Diba? Diba? Alam mo, nakakatakot din kasi alam mo yung kasal na, tapos may anak na, pero hindi pala right person.
alam mo yun yung fear ko.
Tapos mag-meet kayo in the future pa pala. Ano yung mga ganun, no?
Yan yung parang feeling ko, fear ko na makahanap ako ng tao na sobrang mamahalin ko. Tapos, mamahalin din ako. Okay kami. Pero yung purpose pala and yung destiny nyo is to just miss each other for their entire life. Gets
Or
ba?
baka baka that person was the right person
That's a
for
valid
that
fear.
time and that time only. Mga ganun, no? Natakot na tuloy sa future. Pero, ang amazing, no? How timing is very key pala in finding someone. Like, even if, example, kasi with love, I strongly believe it's not just feelings-based. It's a choice. Like, example, ikaw, gusto ko na, ikaw na talaga, ikaw yung the person that I want to marry, have kids with. Pero sometimes, even if ikaw, intentions mo ganun, like very clear, clean, and very sure, pero sometimes it can be a one-sided thing. Like for you, it's not how you see it pala. Kaya, yeah, it's also really
being on the same
important
page is
when you
important.
find someone. Dapat mutual yung understanding mo, yung intentions nyo. Especially that intentions are very hard to see. Kasi it's so easy to say it, but to show it is hard. Yeah.
Facts.
Mahirap, no?
Yeah, easier said than
Ang dami
done.
nangyayari.
Dami
na
nangyayari.
Tapos, yung pinaka-end game pala is, the person you met 30 years before. Yung mga ganun.
Or yung endgame mo pala, hindi pa pinapanganak.
Uy, pwede. Bakit?
Diba?
Ganun. Like, may mga nakita din ako movies na, like, nag-meet sila, hindi nga sila nagkasila. Pero parang example, high school, sweetheart sila. Pero they had this very genuine love na kahit puppy love siya, tapos
like how
in
they're saying
between of
puppy
their
love for it.
lives, may mga anak na sila, married sila. Pero nag-meet sila nung matanda na sila. Tapos to think na puppy love lang sila noon. May nakita akong ganun. True story. Tapos ang galing, di ba? Kasi you really can't tell sometimes. Even if you want to be certain of the future.
Naiyak.
Yeah. So would you consider, is that right person, wrong time? Pero ang hirap.
Alam mo sa sinabi mo,
Mm.
parang,
She really put her in her thoughts.
parang oo. Parang medyo na
right
ako
person,
na.
wrong time?
Merong ganun.
Merong
So, sa
ganun.
mo
Oo.
sa mga kwento mo
Kaya it
kanina.
varies talaga, no?
Depende talaga,
Diba?
depende.
Depende.
Totka, the one that got aray.
Alright.
The one that got away.
Guys, favorite na favorite niya talaga yan.
Before.
Before.
Kinakanta ko siya talaga pag nag-livestream.
May pinapatamaan.
Naman.
Pero at least, di ba, nasa healing stage ka na.
Yeah, and
I really
And
love
I'm
how
learning
Joanna
Yeah,
is trying to
and
fish out
I'm in this
information
point
from her,
na-
and she's so
Kasi-
good at diverting it.
ano din eh. Yeah, again, with everything is a choice. So that, what I experienced before,
I love how she's trying to get the
I
tea
chose
though
for it na,
I know.
ako na mismo nag-decide na that person may be the right person for that time only. And that's it. That's the end. Cut. Nothing more, nothing less. And now I'm in this point in my life na, okay, I move on and maybe, and I strongly believe there's a right person pa pala.
Pero may interaction pa rin kayo.
Ako? I mean like now?
Anong masabi mo? Friends ba kayo na? Or naging, na lang din talaga siya?
Stranger.
Parang,
Stranger na lang, back
hindi
to
naman sa
stranger.
stranger. Kasi grabe, di, may
pinagsamahan
pinagsamahan din
na,
naman kayo. Pero, ano lang, like, pass is pass. That's it. You're just from there. Yeah. Kasi back again with Totka, I believe na the right person is timeless. So, if that time, hindi tayo nag-work, there's a reason for it and you're not the right person. That's how I see it.
Kaya gusto ko
That's a good way to put
kung
it.
sino yung magiging first ko. Yun yung papakilala ko talaga sa parents ko.
And maging right person.
And hopefully, maging last.
Also, one last thing. And kasi, again, back with the everything is a choice. Even if you think that's the right person, pero, everything is worked on. Parang, you both have to make an effort na kayo mismo magiging right person for the other person. So, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right person,
Alam mo,
right
dami ko
time.
natutunan sa mga sinabi mo.
Wow.
Kasi, hindi masamang, di ba yung iba parang naging standard, nakailan ka ng jowa, ganun. Tapos parang, nadjudge natin yung mga tao base dun sa kung nakailang ex na sila. Pero kasi yung iba, alam mo yun, may point sila na baka ganun, nag-explore sila, para kapag nahanap na nila yung tao talaga, alam mo na, alam na nila yung gagawin nila.
Yeah. Like, every person
I think
they meet,
healthy
there's a
exploring is good.
different learning.
Exploring can mean a lot of different
Ang
things.
masama, yung sobra-sobra.
I think it can be with a lot of things.
I mean, in
though.
general, too much of something is a bad thing.
Yes.
And even with
Yeah.
that girl.
Yun.
The one that got away.
Aray. Remix.
There's like, song ni Katy Perry.
Yes. Alam mo, thank you. Kasi, ang dami kong, actually, di ba, kanina, sobrang strong ko na walang right person, wrong time. Pero after hearing your thoughts, oo, meron nga.
So, you
meron.
believe in right person, wrong time nga.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Ako naman hindi. Ano nga, kasi I feel like if that's the right person, that's the right person. Hindi, I mean before.
Okay.
Before na I used to believe. But now talaga, I believe na if right person, I won't think about time because time is timeless for me.
Yeah.
If I'm with you.
Oh, wow. That
You're
was
the one.
good.
You're right. Yeah. Wow.
Kaya sa mga listeners natin, kayo, siguro pag nagmahal kayo, huwag niyong ibigay lahat kasi okay lang din naman piliin yung sarili niyo.
And I mean, it should start with yourself then.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Self-love pa rin.
Self-love para sa 2020? 8. Ang tinagalan.
28.
Pero ayun, alam mo yun, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakapag-usap tayo ng ganito. Kasi hindi tayo nakakapag-usap ng ganito. Kasi alam mo, parang illegal siya sa P-pop world.
Taboo, very taboo.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero, let's normalize this topic. Kasi, alam nyo, kaming mga idols nyo, di ba? Tinuturing tayong idols na, ng blooms natin. Tinuturing nyo kami idols, pero lahat ng naranasan nyo, nararanasan nyo na.
Ay!
It's
Wow.
Oo naman. Di ba? Hindi nyo sure kung may kausap pa kami ngayon or hindi. Pero tao din kami, nagmamahal, nasasaktan, iniiwan.
Yeah, and also, disclaimer, the things that we have talked, maybe iba-iba yung mga pananaw ng iba, you know naman. Kasi this is really a debatable topic. Like, a lot of people agree, a lot of people don't. But these are just our insights. So,
Tsaka pwedeng 2 years from now, pwedeng iba na naman yung yung thoughts ko about this, di ba? Depende sa nangyayari.
Yeah.
Kasi dati wala pa naman yung, alam mo yun, wala namang MU dati. Parang,
It's either friends, jowa, tapos kasal.
yun na,
diba?
diba?
Ngayon may mga gantong terms na totga, situationship, totga, ano ba?
yan?
Akala ko if you meet someone, yun na yun, pakasal, happy ending. Pero, in life, things don't always work out. And sometimes it's okay because things happen for a reason.
And for a lesson.
Yes, for a lesson. I love that.
I love you. Dati kaya,
Let's love ourselves.
nagawa natin to. Kasi takot ako mag-open up. Kasi nga first time ko. And siguro may nalaman ng aking parents na hindi na.
May nakatotga pala. Wala. Wala
pa.
Ay, sana wag naman.
Ayaw naman. The one na.
The one.
Yes, and that's it for our episode.
Totga, or
was
the
so
one that
fast.
got away.
Right person, wrong time.
And again, this is our podcast.
Ng mga walang jowa!
If you guys enjoyed our episode, please listen to the rest of our podcast, Ng Mga Walang Jowa. We have fresh episodes every Thursdays on Spotify.
Watch this podcast episode again on YouTube this coming Monday.
Don't forget to listen to our music then on Spotify. Just search Beanie. And if you guys want to check out some real-time updates of us, follow us in all our social media platforms. That's Beanie_PH.
Again, I'm Beanie Joanna.
I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie!
And thank you again for listening to our
Podcast ng mga walang jowa. 2, 3, thank you po!
It was. You know what I thought was a little sad? The disclaimer she had to give because she knew people would come for her. I think that was really upsetting to hear. The disclaimer she had to put at the end because she knew people would come for her.
Well, I think it's also a great way for her to put too, because she was saying these are just like our experiences, because she also has other viewers and they don't always necessarily have the same like view as her. Because like I personally, I don't agree. I think that there is a right person and a wrong time. I feel like I, as a person, evolved to be with the person that I'm with now. And had he met me at a different time, I don't think we would have worked out. And that's not because of him, but because of me and because of who I was. And I needed to go through certain things and certain experiences to make me who I am now. So had I met him before, he would have been the one that got away for me. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. And it just depends. And it's different for every situation. And that's right. And I like how she put that, because even though, like, you know, we watch them and, you know, we love them and all that stuff. Even
We
if she has
they're like idols.
Yeah.
They are the idols.
even if
for
she has
people.
that different opinion
human.
than me, I still feel like she put that in there because I can still be relatable because she also has a different experience. And it's good
Yeah.
to be able to see a different, like, flip side to it, which I kind of
Yeah.
liked that too. So she was really sweet about putting that in and saying, like, everyone has, like, a different experience.
Yeah,
so people
for
don't have to
sure.
set themselves in stone with what they've said today.
Yeah, and I did really like the part where she said that in a relationship, compromise is there, but put yourself there too.
Facts,
Like
bro.
I think compromise is the thing, yes, but I think to an extent, because I feel like sometimes either party can take advantage of that. And I think in the long run, it does hurt the relationship. It does. Like, you don't see it in the moment because you're all like, oh my God, butterflies and twinkly stars everywhere. You're seeing the stars in daylight and all that. You're really happy. But then in the long run, it hurts it because resentment can form. Like, you don't say it, but you can sense it in the tone sometimes. Like, it comes out.
Yeah, but you
It
can
comes
also, when you compromise too much for the other person and you're always compromising and you're always doing those things and you're not being true to who you are, you start compromising yourself. And I feel
Yeah.
like that's when it
You
becomes
lose your
with-
identity.
you lose who you are, right?
Yeah.
And that's why I think it has a lot of those rifts. So yes, put yourself first and always compromise, like in those relationships. But it's facts. Relationships aren't always easy. That's a lie. It's not always a fairy tale. That's a lie. And it does become hard. And it's not saying that that person isn't going to be with you for a long run. Yes, you work through those problems, but it has to be the right person for you and your situation, your goals, and what you want your end game to be. So it's like all of those things.
Yeah.
Right.
It's just
for sure.
complicated.
I know. I remember my mom saying, God, what she say? Like when I was younger, she said, when two people don't fight, it's a problem.
Right.
Because that means someone's always giving in
Yeah.
to the other person, and that causes bigger
Agreed.
problems, right?
Because you're
Right?
two different people. When they said like they didn't fight, I'm like, girl, did y'all live together? Because for me, when
But wasn't she kind of saying that was a problem that they didn't
Yeah, that
fight?
Right,
they didn't
that's what I'm
fight. Yeah,
saying.
she was saying she brought it
that's
up in
why
that
I'm like,
sense.
did y'all live together? When she first said that they didn't
Yeah.
fight, and they were together. I'm like, did y'all live together? Because that's wild, bro, wild to never fight. Because it's saying like we never like will like fight with each other. For sure, we'll fight with each other because
Like,
it's a difference.
argument-
Right,
arguing is
it's
important.
a difference. Right, it's
Well,
a
that's
difference of
that's
opinion.
what my mom would say. She said like your dad and I are not fighting. We have differences of opinion.
Right.
Yeah,
Like it was
she
never
was
like
right.
fighting.
Exactly,
Right?
but it
It's a
is
difference.
right. It's a difference of opinion.
Now
And
it can
you're-
go to a big fight if you let
for
it.
sure.
I think these days,
And
it's
I
a
do.
lot worse.
And I do.
I think it goes to like toxicity.
And
just
I
arguing.
am, and it is. But I've gotten a lot better, y'all. No, but like, no, but for real, yeah, because like for me, it's kind of like it was really hard to like see the other person's perspective because in my mind, I'm right, right, and in their mind, they're right. So to me, when you said didn't fight, I'm like, bro, where? Because there's a bunch of different stuff that like we get along with it now, and there are actual compromises of where neither one of us are 100% happy with maybe the situation where we were fighting about, but we can come to terms with like, I can live with that.
Yeah.
Like that's not a big fight. And there's other things where like it's neither one of us are like moving and one of us does have to give up with it. And it's with all the different things. And it is a fight because you're not the same person. Bro, if you're the same person, I don't know how that's going to work. So you are going to have a difference in something. So you are going to have an argument somewhere. And if you
Right.
plan on being together for 70 years and you never fight, bro, I'm worried.
I know. For real.
Yeah.
I feel like the person you're with, you actually killed the first one. And this is like the replacement that you had to cover up so the police wouldn't find out. Because like, I don't believe it.
Yeah, and I also think that I lost my train of thought.
And if they do fight, they won't. Some people don't admit it because they want people to think they have the perfect relationship,
Right.
right?
And
It's
that's not
okay.
perfect. If
It's not
someone tells
perfect.
me they don't fight, I'm like, you don't
You're
care.
lying.
You're lying. You're lying or you don't care.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, yeah.
for you, because like I do care about him and I don't care about him like knowing who I am as a person or like knowing my opinion. Because at the end of the day, do I love him? Yes. And are we going to work through this? Yes. But that doesn't mean that I have to have your same opinion about
Right.
something or him mine. Because I feel like I'm the more stubborn one. So, or him mine. And I kind of like the push. Honestly, if I had someone who just said yes to me all the time,
Oh,
like
it'd be
yes
boring.
person, ew. I actually love the pushback a little bit. Like,
A
thank
healthy-
you.
a
Like,
healthy-
say something.
A healthy debate's good.
Right.
Yeah,
And also,
healthy
like, help me, like,
keywords,
think
healthy.
of something else. Like, it doesn't always have to be my way. And you telling me that it can be a different way and it still work out, bro, opens my mind up too.
Yeah.
So having a yes person around you all the time, no thank you.
Doesn't work.
But I also feel like in a relationship, I think your partner brings out the worst of you out of you and the best. And
Well,
I
that's
think
the person you need. If you only have someone who brings out the worst, not for you.
Yeah,
That's
and
toxic,
you need to
for
be
sure.
able to see, for sure. You need to be able to see the best version of you and the worst.
And I actually,
and
not in a bad way, but I don't want someone who only brings out the best in me, quote unquote, because I want them to be able to have all of who I am, including all of my bad, including all of these things. Not that they bring it out in me, but that they can accept all of that with.
yeah, they better
best
accept
and
the
the
10 personalities plus 2. Just saying.
There we go.
Just saying. This was so nice to hear.
Yeah.
Definitely. And I it's sad to think that it's very taboo because at the end of the day, like
I've
she
said
said, we're
that.
humans. At the end of the day, yes, you guys, like, we're idols to you, but behind closed doors, we're human just like you are.
We're in
We
front of doors,
experience
bro, in real life.
everything like you do. Probably maybe more low-key now because they're so big, but they go through stuff. They cry. They have emotions. They're humans at the end of the day. They have one beating heart. They have 2 lungs. They have 2 eyeballs, just like everybody else,
Well, and
etc.
they're in a harder spot because they are idols.
Yeah.
You don't know the people's intentions.
Right.
with
Yeah.
them.
Exactly.
Right?
And at the end of the day, they have a heart, and so they have emotions. And so I've always said, and I've said it 1,000 times, like, God is my witness. And so are you guys. I've said it 1,000 times. I don't like that it's taboo for them because I think at the end of the day, they're still people and they should still have a life outside of this. And they should still be able to realize all of that.
Well, they
Because
should
at
be
the end of
able
the
to
day, I
express it
personally...
without feeling they're getting
Yeah,
canceled.
exactly. Because
What are
I
they
feel
getting
like
canceled
if
for,
you
being
really
human?
love them, then you love them as people too, and you accept all of them and not just this idealized image of them and that they need to be like this untouchable thing. They're people and they should be able to have a
They have
life.
feelings.
And exactly, and they should be able to feel all of that and experience all of that, and they shouldn't have to put that on hold because of what other people might say. They should be who they want to be, and other people should accept that or move on.
I know it's easier than done, easier said than done for them, but because of the cancel society these days is wild.
Wild, bro. But I
Wild.
think it's like
You
what she
just
was
turn your
talking
leg the
about,
wrong
like
way,
their idols
canceled.
over there, like from Aubrey's talked about this a lot. But like over there, they're not really like allowed to, and it's very taboo, like for a lot of them,
So
which
sad.
is why it is sad. It's wild to me.
But I also understand why they could say that it's bad because they don't want the audience that take them as idols to follow everything they're doing, because there's some people that are like wild. They'll like do everything they do, like these idols.
But they do. They
So,
should
like,
be able to be in a relationship.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone should be able to be in a
I mean, keep
relationship.
it private, but I think you should be able to say, I'm in a relationship, I don't
Right.
want to talk about it. Like, I'm not interested.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of not saying anything, and you're just kind of now taking it and taking it
And also
taking it.
having to hide like every single one because they're followed. Like
Oh, yeah.
for us, like we keep our stuff pretty private. Like I'm pretty private about it. Like, do you know I'm with someone? Yes, but do you know who or anything about? Like, no, you don't. And will you ever? No, you won't. But that's mine. I don't have people following me everywhere. Can you imagine like paparazzi and stuff? They actually have to like physically hide the person. That's wild to me. You know, that's hard. That's gotta like bring them down in a way because they know that they can't get caught doing certain things, and so they either have to either be really sneaky or not do it, and that to me is way too complicated when they're just people trying to live their life, and they just so happen to be really talented and want to share that with other people too. Let them have it all, y'all.
Yeah,
I agree.
seriously, I do too, because it's just crazy that they can't feel what they need to. Anyways, I could say a lot about this.
Yes,
as you
and
guys
before
can
she
tell.
loses her train of thought again.
As you guys can tell, I can talk a lot about this. Maybe one day we'll have a podcast. I don't know. Don't even quote me on this. we're barely squeezing things in right now.
We'd be wild. We could have all these questions. Who is your
No, seriously. Totka.
That's what I said.
Todga, I think. Todga.
Todga.
Yeah, G because of the G. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know Abriel's not here. We miss her too. She's probably somewhere downstairs, if I'm wrong. Hello. Oh, there. Y'all hear that? Yeah. You want to do your little intro? Wait, where she is? Wait, you're back.
There she is. She was late, but she made it.
Pick up people. People. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget to. Okay. You do. Don't forget to be human. That's true. Let her be human. That's funny. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.